move the gantry down. So what you would do, if you were creating a project, so let's say I made a sign, which I am right now. I'm finished with it. I made all the tweaks and different things. I will plug it in, upload it to the RD Works. This on this machine, the RD Works is the program. You would make your project on the Spire, and you would upload it into RD Works, make your little final tweaks, download it into the machine, load the gantry up. Let's say I have a piece of stock. It could be wood, it could be plexiglass like this, or it could be even metal. This laser is very strong. So let's say I had a fresh piece of stock, and I would create a program, and I would upload it, load it up, put the gantry down, find my point of origin, because your point of origin is where you're starting, you're beginning. And then I would set it, I would close this, then I would press start. And then the laser from the point of origin would create your project that you made with the laser. You could either scan it, which would create images on it, or you could cut out, you vector it, you can cut out your project and make it like, say you wanted to give a girl a heart out of plexiglass, and you decked it out and you made image within the heart. The laser would cut out the heart, and then it would laser engrave the image that you put, whatever it was, within the heart. And then you would have a nice little project. So these are just rough drafts of what this class has done. You see you have Sonic the Hedgehog. This was all scanned. This is all rastered in. So the laser would take your image and burn it into the stock. Then you have, a little pug right there. Happy birthday. You can see just different little practice. You got Dragon Ball Z and stuff like that, butterflies. And then you could either program this laser and say this stock is about like an inch thick. You could have it cut out something that you wanted. Say you made like a heart, like I said, and you wanted it cut out. You'd have to program the density and the thickness of the stock, which is your workpiece. And then you could have the laser do anything that you could possibly want to make. So we use this laser to make many different things. You can bring your imagination to life with this machine. The more you work with it, the better you'll get. Very hands-on. Any questions, our teacher would be glad to help you with. Like I said, this program, Advanced Manufacturing, here at MTC Technical College, is very, very exceptional. Like it's hands-on. Like I said, you're not working with textbooks, you're not watching videos, you're learning hands-on, you're in it. It's amazing. Like I've learned so much in a month that I feel like I can get a job outside of the restaurant industry now. So I still have a lot to learn, but I'm bringing my creative ideas to life with these machines. There's many different routes you could take under this program. You find out what you want, and then just go for it. Just hands-on. The rabbit laser is very awesome. You got even plasma cutter, which is like this, but it works with a lightning bolt. It's strong. It cuts through metal like butter. You can make sculptures. There's so many different things you can do in this class, and then you just find out which route you could take, and then whatever you want to do.